Did you know that you could hem with a serger? Let's go, I'll show you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha, your pattern nerd friend. I am the owner of Creative Costume Academy and we love to share all things pattern making and sewing. Today we're going to be talking about hemming with your serger. Yes, it can be done. Sergers are great for putting together knits and having that nice clean finish on the inside. So if you're already sewing with your serger, why not finish it off with your serger as well? Plus, it still stretches and looks really clean. This is what I'm talking about. It's super simple, very handy, and one of my favorite ways to just get things done. For those of you in the UK and Australia, I am talking about your overlocker. In case you're curious, we call it a serger here. Let's jump over to the machine and check out this really nifty trick.
So this is how we set it up. This looks very much the same inside and outside, but this is the wrong side. And you want to fold up however much you have for your hem allowance. I'll do kind of a bigger hem allowance so you can really see. And then you flip it back again. So we are seeing the hem and then flipped back. So this is all the right side. That's what we want when we go into the machine. You can do this same thing with an industrial or a domestic, but you just want to be mindful. If you can swing your blade out of the way, that will help. Even if you do happen to cut it, it's not going to show on the outside, but it does keep it nice if you ever want to let this hem out. And then you also want to make sure you're catching this edge on the other side. So the needle needs to be hitting like right around here when you're going through. And then you just run it through. And there you go. It is hemmed. So this is what the inside looks like. And this is what the outside looks like. And it still stretches, bonus. So you will have a seam there, but you didn't have to use anything other than your serger.
Well, was it super easy? I just think it's a really cool way to continue to use your serger, not have to worry about setting up a whole other machine, doing a double needle, a cover stitch, or anything like that. You can just keep going with the machine you're already using, and it's a great way to finish off your hem. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. If you like this kind of a thing, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel. Turn on those notifications so you know when my next video drops. And if you are curious in learning about pattern making, not sure if it's for you, I hope you'll check out my free pattern masterclass. That link is listed below, and it gives you an insight to my different way of learning pattern making, where we like to have fun and keep it as easy as possible. That's all we have for you today for this week's Tricky Thursday. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.